Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change object size in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this object. First of all, selection to this object. See the city search point or use bracket. Example, I use to this selection. Example. Then best way press Ctrl Z or duplicate layer, and again press Ctrl T, hold Shift and resize. Perfectly. Okay, then again click down layer and select it to this area or use this tool. Right click, fill content or wait few seconds. Press Ctrl D. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.